And now, Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Eric Ash.
For some showers to occur for the Snake River Plain and or Island Park Yellowstone region up there around in the afternoon, but that's a slight chance. If not catching one of those clouds, you're going to stay mostly dry, mostly sunny today. We're under the influence of high pressure for today. What's going to happen tomorrow and the next day is this low pressure will move on shore tomorrow, and it will swing a warm front across eastern Idaho, and that will bring widespread showers and storms to all regions. And some of these storms can be severe, producing a lot of precipitation, 3/4 of an inch to 1 inch, which is pretty quick in about 45 minutes to an hour, which is the usual duration of a thunderstorm, and also very gusty outflows. Winds can gust up to about 60 miles per hour from one of these storms. And then on Thursday, we will catch the low pressures. The low will be located here at that time. Thursday morning, we will catch the cold front, and that will also produce storms and showers starting spotty in the morning, but then between 2 and 10 p.m. most widespread across all of the regions. A little less so for the Magic Valley, getting closer to the Magic Valley. Winds today are a little less stronger than yesterday, so we're expecting winds in the same corridor to be the strongest from Craters, Arco to Rexburg, Upper Snake River Plain, about 20 to 40 miles per hour for gust speed. Snake River Plain temperatures, 94 is the high for both Pocatello and Idaho Falls. So we have a lot of mid-90s, low 90s for the Snake River Plain, Southeast Highlands, upper 80s, and then the lower half of the 90s, 94 for Downey. For the Central Mountains, temperatures will be in the 80s and 3 locations in the low 90s as well, 93 for Chalice. For the Eastern Highlands, we've got 80s, Yellowstone at 75, 81 for Du Bois. Into the nighttime, we'll see increasing clouds as that low pressure continues to move eastward to the north of us. Increasing clouds. Temperatures will bottom down into the 60s for Pocatello, and then Idaho Falls 59, and we'll stay with breezy conditions. Southeast Highlands temperatures in the 50s and 60s as well, and still mostly cloudy for the Central Mountains, 60 degrees for Mackay and Arco. We have a few 50s here, and then Stanley the coldest at 48, and then in the Eastern Highlands we're in the 50s for the most part, except for Yellowstone, a low temperature of 45. And now we'll take a look at the Southeast Idaho Chevy Dealer 7-day forecast, starting with Pocatello. Both Pocatello and Idaho Falls have a high temperature of 94 degrees, which is about which is a few degrees warmer compared to yesterday. But then tomorrow, given the weather that we're getting and the cloud coverage, we will cool off to 91 for Pocatello. Moving on to Blackfoot today, a high temperature of 92, tomorrow 89. For Tuesday and Wednesday, showers and thunderstorms are expected. The windiest day is going to be on Thursday. We will catch that low pressure's warm front on Wednesday. Some of these storms can be severe, producing very heavy rainfall and hail and gusty outflows. And then on Thursday, we'll have very high winds. Winds can gust as high as 40 to 65 miles per hour on Thursday. For the Central Mountains, a high of 90. And then for tomorrow, 86. And then looking at the Teton area, today we have an area of high temperature of 83, tomorrow 82. Back to you, Dan.
All right.